Welcome to New Town Estate, Sash Road, Port Harcourt.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Bye, Sonia.
Right now for a fish. Boss must take some. Anyway, no say good. Carry him. Okay, that one is my bullet. Yes.
A foreign handbag, same as say for her.
Called me and he said, "Hello, welcome back to the vlog." Hubby called me. He said he's hungry. He had breakfast, so this man he cannot kill me. So he said he's hungry. So this is me with his lunch pack. So I want to go and give him lunch in the office. So see my baba coming. Why is your face like that?
I'm hungry.
See their estates. You're hungry.
I'm hungry.
Welcome to New Town Estate, Sash Road, Port Harcourt. This estate as at 2021 was selling for 2.5 million naira, but right now this estate is selling for 25 million naira per plot. What are you waiting for? You can see the beauty of this estate. I am also going to be attaching a clips of this estate videos for you so that you guys are going to see the beauty of this estate. I'll be leaving all the information you'll be needing in the description box. If you want to own a land, a planet, a plot in this beautiful new town estate, all you need to do is check my description box and then contact me. So let me take you through a tour of new town estate, Sash Road, Port Harcourt. Let's go there, guys.
years later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay,
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Came back home and showing you guys what I got. So I got the facial moisturizer, I got the simple products for it, then I got the vitamin C syrup. Okay, so I got Dr. Rachel vitamin C. After that I got the simple purifying gel wash, okay, for my face. According to what I hear, since I have an oily face, this can control the oil. Let me know if it's true in the comment section. I got the bio oil soap for scars, stretch mark, even tone, stuff like that. For my skin I use it to bathe. Okay, so I also got the simple facial toner because I ran out of facial toner. This has been my facial toner that I've been using. Then I got the pigment. So I got pigment, I got the small one, okay, because this is my first time using it and I want to see if it will be good or not. So these are the products that I got for my face. Let me know in the comment section if you've used any and any of these products has been favorable to you. Then this is me trying to like set up my camera to film. Hubby came back and I have to pack my tripod one side, so hubby bought food as well on his way coming, and we already made food, oh guys. So but the thing is that we have to now eat this one for the night, okay, and the one we made we have to leave it till the next day. I didn't actually know that hubby is going to buy food. I wouldn't have been able to like stress myself on all of that. So this is me just bringing it out of the nylon, and I was also telling my baby girl to come and pick hers so that she can eat. So hubby bought fried rice and chicken, and trust me, when it comes to Kilimanjaro, I say Kilimanjaro Chicken Republic, their chicken is 100% tasty and sweet. So this is my baby hugging me because he came back from work. We've not hugged and we don't imagine my camera just passed with it one. This camera said namumo. Anyways, so this is the food and I'm trying to like show you guys the beauty of this food. So like I said, he bought fried rice and chicken, And yes, let's move to the next slide of this video.
So hi guys, welcome back again to my vlog. So see the eyelash, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I like it because it's scanty and it's not doing too much. So I got some products as well. Actually, this product was supposed to be reviewed yesterday, but because my money was hanged, like a lot of stories behind these products, so finally I got it today. Anyways, let me just go ahead and show you guys so that I'll go and rest because I am so tired, but I want to start using it and I feel like I need to unbox it with you guys before I start using it. See as I'm sweating. If you're enjoying this vlog already, just consider subscribing, okay? So you guys, see you guys in my next video. Ooh. And now